Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are fit and healthy. Welcome to my YouTube channel English Grammar with Malaika Zainab. Today we are having our first lesson on the topic basic parts of a sentence. Basically there are three basic parts of a sentence and these are subject, verb and object. First of all, we are going to discuss what is subject. So, a person who does work, or we can say that a person who is performing action is called subject. So, we can say that who or what performs an action. जो काम कर रहा होगा उसको हम क्या कहेंगे? Subject कहेंगे. Moreover, our subject can be in the form of noun or it can be a pronoun. I will give you the example of these two later. So subject कौन हुआ? जो काम perform कर रहा होगा, that is called subject. Next, come on the second part, second basic part of a sentence, that is verb. Verb is basically a doing action. Doing action is called verb, mean to say that the action subject is performing is called verb. I am going to give you example of this. For example, I say I am teaching. I am teaching. So who or what performs an action is called subject. Who is performing here? I. So I is subject. And what I am doing? Which action I am performing? I am teaching. So teaching is verb. Is that clear? Come on the third part of a sentence, that is object. We can say that object is who or what receives an action, or we can say upon which work is done. जो सब्जेक्ट जिस चीज़ पर काम कर रहा होगा या फिर हम कह सकते हैं कि जो एक्शन रिसीव कर रहा होगा उसको हम लोग ऑब्जेक्ट कहते हैं, जिस पर एक्शन परफॉर्म किया जा रहा होगा. इफ़ यू लुक एट दिस सेंटेंस, आई एम टीचिंग, हियर सब्जेक्ट इज मिसिंग. इफ़ आई से यू, नाउ द सेंटेंस इज कंप्लीट. आई एम टीचिंग यू. मैं किस पर एक्शन परफॉर्म कर रही हूँ, और हु इज़ रिसीविंग द एक्शन, मैं किसको पढ़ा रही हूँ? आपको, यू. So you is the object. Let us take another example. The cat killed a rat. So look at this. Who is performing the action? Cat. So cat is subject. Cat is subject because cat killed a rat. So what she did? She killed. Which action she performed? She killed. So killed is verb. To whom she killed? उसने किसको मारा? कौन एक्शन रिसीव कर रहा है? Rat. So rat is object. Is that clear? Let us try another example. He meets his friends. So who meets? Who or what perform the action? He. He is subject. What does he do? He meets. So meet is verb. To whom he meet? To whom he meets? He meets his friends. किसको मिलता है? अपने friends को. तो action कौन receive कर रहा है? Friends. Friends will be the object. Now if you look here, I is pronoun. So our object is in the form, our subject is in the form of pronoun. If you look here, cat, cat is noun. Here our subject is in the form of noun. Next again here is pronoun. Our subject is in the form of pronoun. Subject always comes at the start of the sentence. For example, I, the cat and he. These are subjects. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.